Hey everyone, welcome to part 8 for October 2024 Patreon STL files. We'll be looking at some D&D Warhammer proxies and some figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. All the links you'll be looking at will be down below for you guys as well. So I have GM 3D. There's another figure one I saw in October. We got Alice, looks like it. That should be out Alice in Wonderland. And we got Ayaka Muskie. Bunsky, I have no idea what that anime's from. But yeah, those two. And next is Dai Demu 3D. So we have Mavis for this month as well. Dems of Imagination at a Warhammer proxy. I'm trying to get the whole thing. This is September one. This is October release. So it looks like we got some chaos ones for our proxy. That looks pretty sweet. Freaking mutated. And I think some of these are like Slanesh, and some of them are Zinch, and some of them look like Nurgles. I haven't really seen Corn one, but yeah, we got like Demon Prince version of it, one without wings. But yeah, Chaos. Gotta love it. Moid, another good Patreon. They do a lot of BattleTech and Warhammer Proxy as well. This is for October ones. So we have their tanks. Looks like some kind of a repair model or a droid. And we have a suit. That looks pretty cool. But yeah, that looks like it's for October. Check him out. He's pretty cool. Station Forge, another Warhammer proxy as well. There'll be a lot more that's coming on for. I think this would be one of the ogres for the Imperium. And we have Scarecrow minis for your terrain. Grim Corpse. Uh, Looks like those one of those assassin peoples into the Imperium, but they got different variation of them. Wearing costume, corp jesters. Hey, let's get light reinforcement. I think this will be good for Necromunda right here. If you're interested in that, and we got a tank. That looks kind of cool actually. Rotate with the actual human being in it. Look inside of it if you want to. You have Tyranid, Dead Tyranid, and some Imperiums. Like I said, there's gonna be a lot more like this. It's gonna be a lot more of these guys if you're interested. Cal 3D Studio. Nubis looks actually pretty good, rendered. We got My Empire. Looks actually pretty good. We got the bust release for it. Let's see, October we got Darth Yoda. Forgot his name from My Hero Academia. We got Rambo. I don't know what that is from. Crow, female Loki from Cyberpunk. This is Scarlet Witch. But yeah, Serena. So that's for October for Cal 3D. Warp miniature. If you're into looking like AD&D style miniatures, this is probably good to have. We got some old school demon lords, I think. 4 demon kings, if you're interested. And Francis Quez, he does figures. I think he is going to be doing this one for this month, but this was last month's as well. Free member 25% off. We have 3D Bonji. So we have Ranamia pre-render month. Also comes nude. And we have this one, Farron. Lewd, sexy Farron. And we have Catwoman, I think. Yeah, Catwoman. And this would be Wonder Woman for that month. Inkman Minis. This is another STL file for like D&D miniature kind of stuff like that. Uh, let's see what the spooky ones is. Do not know what the hell that's from. We got some Digimons, some Pokemons. We got some Legend of Zelda creatures that turn undead. We also have Darkstalkers as well. We also got Kingdom Hearts Sora. Do not know where she's from. But yeah, that's actually pretty good. And let's see here. This was last year if you want to got the last year ones as well. Ape 3D, another figure. This is October 1. We got Misty, Spider Gwen, Ivy, with Monica, Tila, Bowsette. We got Psylocke, Sonya Blade, Supergirl, and Raven Bombshell. If you're interested in that, I just want Ivy. You don't always know why. Big old biddies. Rodent art. I think we're just going over a lot of same stuff. So we have our package for our pinups and 4 girls. These are your pinups. 2 witches. It also comes nude. We also got the, it looks like some kind of demon. Covenant Temptation, Covenant Lilith. What's one of the other ones called? Eros, Amitos, Laceros. So yeah, for your you can use this for your D&D side. I think they're small enough. I think there's 32 millimeters and 72 millimeters for it. ES Monster, October Reward. We have Cammy, we got Jinx, forgot her name, Storm, X23, 23 I think. This is a sorcerer from the Dragon Crown game, and Amazon as well. And this is your, I think your rewards, October rewards package. I mean welcome pack for it. If you're interested. Bruno Art 3D. We got her. Then you also got Captain Carter and Sisters of Battles. I think there's supposed to be one more they're working on. It'll be this one. I think this is supposed to be Electra. I don't know. Yeah, Electra. 3D Moon. Dante Del McCry rewards. Daphne. We have Alucard fully rendered as well. And we got Ryuko. I think that's for this month as well. And Faye Valentine. TK Labs, another D&D minis. Looks like we're getting these 3: the Witch, the Grim Reaper, and the Hag. And you get the tree, the Witch's Scatter. So yeah. Oh, these are the 3 witches, the 3 hags. You get your dead root and swap walk away. That's just pretty cool. Miniature blueprint. You're gonna get a Black Wukong 3. You got 2 monks and Son Goku. I think that'll be it for this video because I gotta find out to make 2 more videos for the end of this month. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.